How's it going, guys? Today I'm going to show you the books that I read for the month of June 2020, and let's get right into it. First up is going to be The Birds of Prey by Brian Azzarello. I thought this was originally going to be like a 3-story issue, but unfortunately it is just a one-shot. Once I finished it, I was like, alright, what's next? Because they just left off like at a good cliffhanger. Thought the art was amazing. It's pretty much Harley Quinn. Majority of it's Harley Quinn. Overall, enjoyed the story. Thought they did a good job. Some huntress doing some Harley has some issues with, not Harley, what's her name? And I think it's Black Canary that has like some issues with the cartel. And that's how it starts. And I'm not gonna get into more details about it. But overall, if you want a good, decent story about Harley Quinn cartel, I'd pick this up. So yeah, kind of goes a little further than most comics would. So again, because it's a black label, they can kind of get away with a little edgier and dark tone. The second book that I read was something that came out in June, was The Astonishing Xmen by Josh Whedon. And I have to say, I really enjoyed this. Really enjoyed how they brought a certain character back. Just thought the art was awesome. The writing was alright. You really don't have to do a whole lot of extra reading. You can just pick this up and just start reading. Other than you kind of have to know about Genosha. But other than that, you're good. And here's the spine back. Let's look at the art for a little bit. Maybe. Here's the table of contents. Also, the art's done by John Cassidy. I'm going to say it starts off very slow, but it picks up. And how can you go wrong with some Emma Frost and Scott Summers, aka Cyclops? And I'm not gonna lie, this whole entire time I thought Emma Frost was gonna turn on them. It's just how it is with Emma Frost. You can never really trust her. Like I said, the art is awesome. And it focuses more on other characters, not like Wolverine as much. So if you don't want to if you want a good X-Men story, I would pick this up. And that is that for Astonishing X-Men by Josh Whedon and John Cassidy. And the last thing that I read for this month is World War Hulk by Greg Peck. This is the follow-up to Planet Hulk. I have to say Planet Hulk was a lot better. This was meh. Overall, you can read most of this, just the main issues. The tie-ins were alright. But just look at that. Look at that front cover. World War Hulk versus Black Bolt and Iron Man at the same time. And the spine and back facing Doctor Strange. Let's go look into the art a little bit. You also got some appearances from Fantastic Four. And like I said, The main issues, the main storyline was good. The tie-ins, meh. And then I could take some, just maybe like a small sample of what you see in Thor Ragnarok. Maybe just like the characters and one or two informations about it. But other than that, like Meek and Korg, I would love to see this in live action somehow. Someday. I enjoyed like Hulk going against like some of the X-Men and Ghost Rider. Like this is just by multiple artists due to the tie-ins. But yeah, this is the World War Hulk Omnibus by Greg Pak. Astonishing Xmen, Birds of Prey. Those are the books that I read for the month of June 2020. Thanks for watching, guys. Thanks. Take care. Bye.